PrunePro has sent me some gardening tools, a bypass pruning shear, and today I'm going to review it. Now, normally I do car videos, okay? Normally I do car videos. So if you're interested to watch my car videos other than this, go ahead and check out my channel. You will not be disappointed with my car content. I also do trucking car content. You will not be disappointed. Now, on to the review. Let's see what we have here. Opening the box. Very simple. They ship it in a very nice box. So here is your shears. And they also sent a complimentary glove to work in when you're doing the shears, and also replacement springs on your shears just in case your springs break. So let's get to work. Glove probably fits any hand, fits my hand just perfect. Good for protection. And it's right now it's in the lock position. This is your unlock position, and then that's the spring there that you might need to replace after use. But look at the quality of the blade there. I just can't wait to test out how well these pruning shears are, because this looks pretty cool. Nice spring action. Let's get to work. So it's the fall time, so there ain't nothing growing on here, but this is a little bush here, and let's see how well it cuts. So, oh wow, just that quickly. Let's see, bigger, snaps right off. Look at that clean cut right over there, snaps right off. Let's go even bigger. Let's see down here. Bam, look at that clean cut. Dang, it's perfect. Now let's go ahead and trim this bush up quickly, and I'll show you how well it turns out. And on a final note, this is thick. This is really thick right here. Let's see how well it cuts. Very thick right here. So you got to put some strength in it, but it's cutting. Boom. Wow, that's a clean cut right there. These really do work. I am not the best hedge trimmer, but this took me about 5 minutes. So I'm not the best hedge trimmer. I don't know exactly what I'm doing 100%, but I can tell you for a fact that this hedge is now a lot smaller and ready to grow out better when it comes springtime and summertime. So these prunes, these hedge trimmers right here, they work very well. Sharp blade, clean cut. Be careful, don't let kids play with it. You could easily slice a finger off if you actually wanted to. And I've been cutting and trimming, and it's still being sharp. I'm pretty sure you can sharpen it easily with a sharpening tool, and it's working out pretty well for me to do this bush right here. Some other thick wood right here. Let's see how well it does. Boom. Clean cut as well. Very easy. I'm gonna trim this little tree down. It's in the way. Works really nice. Just trying to trim this tree down because it grew, or this little plant, it grew too much and it's in the way of my cars. But technically I need to get rid of it, but just for the sake of the video, I'm just showing how well these shears, pruning edge trimmer shears, can actually cut very fast, cleanly, without skipping a beat, and you can keep on working, not need to worry about anything else. There you go. Became smaller right there. Well, this bush being overgrown here a little bit. Let's see how well it cuts off. All right. Gotta give some more leverage. This is a little bit different. Boom. Another clean cut. Perfect. Also, by my house, I got these weird plants growing. They're like ferns. Also a clean cut. Gotta put some strength in on the thicker ones, but honestly, a clean cut. Just these do get annoying come summertime. They grow like crazy. Then it's very hard to control them. So you want to minimize some of the growth out of them, and they cut right through pretty fast. Oh, I'd actually imagine if you have a fruit tree where you need to trim some of the branches off, the little twigs, to do some spring trimming before everything starts to grow, this is the perfect tool for you. And when you're done trimming, you simply close by locking it. You push this button forward to lock it. And there you go, locked. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 6 Turn right.
driving attempt on the 6 Series.